guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am back with another scent combination or hygiene routine, shower routine, whatever you want to call it. Today we are going to be doing coconut, and this is a very frosted coconut, a very cool coconut, better for the colder season. So this is not your typical bronzed or toasted coconut. So this is a very enjoyable combination for me. I love coconut. It's my favorite scent of all time, if you didn't know that. So I'm going to be showing you the best products so you can be smelling like coconut all day, sis. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos these days, so just stay tuned for this new streak of videos. And without further ado, let's just get into this video. Alright, so first product, we're going to get straight right in. So I am going to be showing you guys a shampoo and conditioner that actually goes really well with this combination, which is the Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water and Mimosa Flower Shampoo. So it is sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. So this is really good for anyone who has damaged hair. This one's for thinner hair though. So like if you got curlier hair types, I suggest going for OGX if you have like curly, wavy, thick, dry hair. They have coconut scents as well if you're really precise on your scents in shampoo. So as you can see, organic coconut oil, it's vegan as well, and plant-based. So I really like this brand. Like, you know, they focused a lot on the environment and very like good ingredients, you know. Here's a quick look through if you want to see. Lathers are pretty nice. Unfortunately, I can't use this because I have really thick hair, but I am going to be giving this to a friend, but this works really good, guys. So 100% do give this a try. It smells like coconut, but it goes really well with this combination for a reason, because it smells like a plant like coconut. You know, there's a difference between like a coconut smelling like vanilla, creamy, toasted bronze versus like a frosted coconut that smells like sweet and maybe planty. That's the type of coconut this one is. So of course, you got to use a matching conditioner, sis. Once again, sulfate, silicone, paraben free. You are going to love this stuff. Love Beauty and Planet actually has like shampoos for like literally every hair type, so you should definitely look into that. But I just like picked up the fine hair one just to match with this combination. So if you have like greasy hair, it's usually the fine hair girls with or guys with the greasy hair. So this is actually going to work really nice for you. And look, like the price is amazing. $7 for this big bottle. This is like even more than what you get in Maui Moisture or OGX. So I actually just like hopped onto this brand after seeing a few Instagram pages review it, and not gonna lie, I might be in love with this brand. Definitely want to try more things from it. Definitely suggest you to try this brand as well. Amazing brand overall. It's a really good brand. This conditioner will leave your hair really soft. So I like to do shampoo and conditioner before body washing because, you know, you don't want all that greasy conditioner on you afterwards, right? So talking about body washing, I always like to start off with the Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap, which is unscented, hypoallergenic. So I like to use this to clean my body, or I just use this on its own most of the time, because I don't like using like hundreds of products on my body. You know, like if you're using a bar soap every day and you're moisturizing after, you are considered clean and hygienic. That's simple as that, okay? So if you're not using 100 products, don't feel like you're showering wrong or you're girling wrong. Anyways, this is amazing to use in the first place to get yourself clean. I use a washcloth with that, and then this body wash. All right, nostalgia, right? This carried my childhood, but this is the Soft Soap Coconut Butter Scrub. So this scent is also like, okay, I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't smell too much like coconut. It, like, you could still tell it's coconut, but it doesn't smell exactly like it. It smells a little like soapy baby powder type of scent, but it still goes very well with this combination, and it's a scrub and body wash in one. So you don't have to stress about like going with a scrub afterwards. I mean, I know like this isn't enough exfoliation for some of us, so go on, use something by Tree Hut like the Island Bliss or Coco Colada. But this one is a nice, cheap, and affordable option for anyone who wants coconut body washes. I picked this over the Dove one for this combination because this one's actually way more like cooler and not warm. As you can see, there's like a little bit of like those exfoliating beads in there. So Soft Soap, not gonna lie, it's not a bad brand. It's very affordable. Let me just tell you that. It's a very affordable brand. And it's really not that bad. It's not like, if I'm gonna be honest with you, this stuff is better than like Bath&Body Works body washes if we look at it like health-wise and what's better for your skin. Alright. Now, once you're out of the shower, sis, I like to, while my skin's damp, I apply body oil, baby oil, coconut oil, whatever you want, and then I go in with the lotion. So, this lotion right here, also by Love Beauty and Planet, totally not sponsored. Just kidding. No, we're not sponsored. But this collection goes really well with this combination. So, this also smells like the coconut water mimosa flower, so it's a planty coconut type of scent. As you can see, this is very, very nourishing. Like when you use this with your body oil, you will feel so soft, like oh my god. So as you can see, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, none of that. So this has a very planty scent, I'm not gonna lie, which makes it go really, really well with like the whole coconut combination, because like the mist I'm going to show you is a little like sweet vanilla type of coconut, but this just sets the tone. It's not too strong, but at the same time it's not too light. I love this lotion. Very, very good price for the very good amount we get. Actually, I don't know about the price, but amount's pretty nice, So this totally didn't just got cut off of what I was saying, but anyways, this is a really, really good lotion for this whole coconut combination. All right. Next up, deodorant, says never forget the deodorant. Even if it doesn't match with your combination, just don't forget it, because this is the key, So I have right here the Double Advanced Care coconut and jasmine, or caring coconut deodorant. This smells really nice. Like, kind of smells like baby powder, but at the same time it smells like coconut. This whole combination is very light and airy coconut, not like a warm coconut. So I think you could see why I'm choosing such scents, because of course we want the combination to match well, and it's just something better for the winter. So I personally love Dove roll-ons deodorants. They are amazing, sis. Like, they work really, really nice. They don't leave stains, and they actually do a good job at holding the odor, because I know like it just works really well for me. But this like small deodorant is only $3 for us. Like, that is a good amount, and this stuff is gonna last you like a while. It's not like you're gonna like rub it 10 times a day. Like 2-3 times is enough. And lastly, cherry on top. This is like my cherry on top. Whenever I show you guys the mist, those are the cherry on top. Like, they seal the whole combination. Frosted coconut snowball, my favorite scent of all time from Bath and Body Works. This is a part of their winter tradition, so if you see this at your store, grab it ASAP, because it's not going to be there near the springtime. So this smells like a sweet and frosty coconut, just like how the name suggests. So the notes are frosted coconut, North Pole vanilla, and winter freesia. I love this scent. Words cannot describe. You see, I tried to look for this last year at the SAS, but it was sold out. Finally found it this year, and it is my favorite scent of all time, sis. Okay, like, best coconut scent of all time. Like, trust me, you gotta get your hands on this. I actually wasn't able to find the body lotion, or else I would have matched that with this combination, but the Love Beauty Planet one goes really well with this as well. So it's not too vanilla and it's not too coconut. It's a perfect balance between the two. That's why I really, really love this winter scent. This is one of my like signature winter scents. Like, not even in just the winter. Like, I can wear this in the summer and feel like a boss, because this just smells so good, y'all. Need to get your hands on the frosted coconut snowball line. And other than that, you have made to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you are enjoying the new setup I got for you guys. Also enjoy the aesthetic. Tell me how the aesthetic was in this video. But don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment down below any combinations you want to see next, because I did this upon your requests, alright? Maybe my own choice, but please comment down below, because your feedback means a lot to me. Share my channel, subscribe, stream as much as you can, so we can get to the giveaway winners. Also, I have a hygiene giveaway going on, so enter that if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!